Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the default web browser on your Mac. Whether you want to switch to Chrome, Firefox, Brave, Edge, or anything else. The process is super quick and easy. Let's get started. First, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and open System Settings. Once System Settings opens, scroll down on the left sidebar and click on Desktop and Dock. Now scroll down on the right side until you see the section labeled Default Web Browser. Click on the drop-down menu and you'll see all the browsers that are installed on your Mac. Simply select the browser you want to make the default. For example, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Brave, or Microsoft Edge. As soon as you choose it, your Mac will update the setting instantly. From now on, any link you click anywhere, in apps, messages, or documents, will open in the browser you selected. And that's it. You've successfully changed the default browser on your Mac. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.